Meaning of double bluff.
Double bluff.
Double bluff.
Double bluff.
Double bluff. Double bluff refers to a deceptive tactic used in game theory where a player pretends to attempt a weak strategy, when in fact they are purposely trying to mislead their opponents into thinking they are weak, in order to gain an advantage in the game. The result of a successful double bluff is that the opponent will be deceived into making a move that is unfavorable for them, allowing the player who executed the double bluff to win the game. Essentially, it is a form of mind game where strategic deception is key.